Hello students. So now I am going to discuss about a problem on cosine Fourier series or polar form of Fourier series. So this is a waveform. For this waveform, find out cosine Fourier series. So already we know that cosine Fourier series is alternate form of trigonometric Fourier series. So to get the cosine Fourier series, first we have to draw, or we have to write down the equation for trigonometric Fourier series by finding the Fourier coefficients, that is a naught, an and bn. Okay, so first for this waveform we have to get a naught, an and bn. So from the given waveform, it is having the amplitudes a and it is repeating for every time period of 2 pi. 2 pi, 4 pi pi minus 2 pi, 2 pi, 6 pi minus 4 pi, 2 pi. So it is having the time period 2 pi. So here, so first we have to get x of t. So for the given triangular waveform, how to get x of t? X of t is nothing but a triangular waveform. Okay, I am considering from 0 to 2 pi. Okay, so here what is at this point, what is x and y values? 0 comma 0, and at this point what is x and y? That is, x component is 2 pi and y component, it is having the amplitude a. From here to here it is having some slope m. Okay, first we have to get the signal representation, the triangular form representation. It is a straight line having some slope. For example, ramp signal can be represented as at, r of t as at, because a is nothing but here slope of a ramp signal. Now I want to find out this slope m. Okay, at or mt I can write. M is nothing but slope. So how to find out the slope of a straight line? It is having two coordinates like x1 y1 and x2 y2. y1 x2 y2. So always slope m is equal to formula y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 is nothing but a by 2 pi. So here the signal x of t is nothing but a by 2 pi into t, like this, slope into t. Okay, so here the signal is existing in between the limit 0 to 2 pi, right? 0 to 2 pi only. Now I am taking fundamental time period as 0 and capital T will become 2 pi. T naught is 0 and capital T is 2 pi. Then T naught plus T will become 2 pi. If T is 2 pi, what is omega naught? It is 2 pi by T. 2 pi by 2 pi, that is equal to 1. Okay, now we got what is T, what is omega naught, and what is x of t. Now we have to find out a naught, an and bn. So here trigonometric Fourier series. What is the formula? TFS formula? X of t is equal to a naught summation n is equal to 1 to infinity an cos n omega naught t plus bn sin n omega naught t. So we have to find out a naught, an, bn. And what is omega naught value? 1. We know that already. So a naught, what is the formula? 1 by t integration t naught to t naught plus t x of t dt. So 1 by 2 pi integration 0 to 2 pi, because t naught 0, capital T we got as 2 pi. I am substituting all these. So what is x of t? A by 2 pi into small t into dt. Now do the integration. A naught is equals to 1 by 2 pi integration 0 to 2 pi a by 2 pi into t into dt. So I will get a by 2 pi whole square integration of 0 to 2 pi into t into dt. What is integration of t? Integration of t is t square by 2. Okay, and it is the limit 0 to 2 pi. So what I'll get? A by 2 pi whole square 1 by 2 into t square 2 pi whole square minus 0. 2 pi whole square will get cancelled. I will get a by 2. It is a naught. Similarly, we have to go for an. What is the formula an? 2 by t integration 0 to capital T x of t cos n omega naught t into dt. We know that omega naught value is 1 and capital T is 2 pi integration 0 to 2 pi. What is x of t? A by 2 pi into t into cos nt dt. So here 2a by 2 pi whole square integration 0 to 2 pi t cos nt dt. 2a by 2 pi whole square into, now a into b, integration of a into b formula. Okay, so I am applying integration of a into b formula here. So I will get here first t into cos integration sin nt by n. Okay, minus next sin nt by n into dt, and here I am having the integration 0 to pi. So this is a formula of your integration of a into b. According to that, I will get 2a by 2 pi whole square into, here b is nothing but t, a is nothing but cos nt, so b is nothing but t. Okay, b into integration of a cos nt is nothing but sin nt by n minus d by dt of integration of a. Okay, so integration of a, so here it is d by dt of integration of a is nothing but cos nt integration is sin nt by n, and for this we have to do the differentiation and later we have to apply the limits. So now I will get 2a by 2 pi whole square into, okay, here t into sin nt by n minus 1 by n into, what is differentiation of sin nt? Sin is nothing but cos nt into n. Okay, into n. For this we have to apply the limits 0 to 2 pi. For this also we have to apply the limits for t, and this also we have to apply the limits for t. So I will get 2a by 2 pi whole square into, if I am having the sin nt, for 0 I will have 0, sin 0 is 0 and sin 2 pi value is 0. So totally this will become 0 for two limits. Okay, minus 1 by n, and this n will get cancelled, cos nt I am having. Okay, so cos 2 pi, cos 2n pi, cos 2n pi, minus of minus will become plus cos 0. Okay, so here it is 1 and here it is also 1. So I'll get here it is also 0. So totally an is equal to 0. Next, bn, we have to find out bn. What is the formula of bn? Bn is equals to 2 by t integration 0 to t x of t sin n omega naught t into dt. So 2 by 2 pi integration 0 to 2 pi. What is x of t? X of t is a by 2 pi into t. A by 2 pi into t sin n t dt. So here 2a by 2 pi whole square 0 to 2 pi t sin nt dt. Okay, so 2a by 2 pi whole square. Here same integration of b, integration of a into b. Integration of a into b is nothing but b into, this is b and this is a, b into integration of a. Okay, that is minus. Okay, integration of sin t is minus cos t nt, so minus cos nt by n, and we have to apply the limits 0 to pi minus, okay, minus integration and differentiation. Okay, so here I am having the integration 0 to 2 pi and differentiation d by dt of a. So sin nt, no, so first we are having d by dt, next integration I am having integration of b, integration of this one a, sin nt integration is minus cos nt by n. Next we have to do the differentiation, later we have to apply the limits. Okay, so 2a by 2 pi whole square. Here what is the value? Instead of n, first apply 2 pi, next 0, cos 0 value will become, it is cos 0. Okay, so here I will get, so here 1 by n into differentiation of cos nt, cos t differentiation is sin t, sin nt into n, and this n will get cancelled. Okay, now we can apply the limits. So for sin 0 value 0, sin 2 pi value 0, so totally this term will be equal to 0. There is no second term, it is vanished, it is equal to 0. Now we have to concentrate on first term. So 2a by 2 pi whole square into minus 1 by n into, we have to apply the limits for t, right? So t is 2 pi into cos 2n pi minus, minus of minus will become plus, and what is t is equal to 0, so this total it will become 0. Now I will write 2a by 2 pi whole square, and this value is equal to 1, so this is minus 2 pi by n. So here minus 2a by 2 pi n, right? So minus a by pi n, so this is bn. Okay, now x of t is equal to a naught. A naught value I got a by 2 plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity. What is an? An equal to 0, and what is bn? Minus a by pi n into sin n omega naught. Omega naught value is 1, so sin nt. So this is equal to a by 2 minus a by pi summation n is equal to 1 to infinity sin nt by n. Okay, this is x of t, trigonometric Fourier series. But we have to write we have to write cosine Fourier series. Okay, so here what is cosine Fourier series or polar form of Fourier series? Both are same. What is the formula? A naught summation n is equal to 1 to infinity an cos n omega naught t plus theta n. So what is a naught? We know. What is an? What is theta n? We have to find out individually, and you can substitute. Okay, so here simply a naught is nothing but a naught, small a naught in trigonometric Fourier series, that is simply a by 2. Then what is a n? A n is equal to square root of small a n square plus b n square. And what is a n? In trigonometric Fourier series it is 0, we got in this problem, and b n is a by pi n. So you can write here minus a by pi n whole square. So I will get a by n pi as capital A n. Then what is theta n? It is minus tan inverse b by a. So minus tan inverse, what is b? Minus a by n pi. And what is a n? It is 0. Something by 0 is infinity. So here tan inverse infinity is nothing but 90 degrees. So minus pi by 2. So here trigonometric Fourier cosine Fourier series or polar form Fourier series can be written as x of t is equals to a by 2 plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity a by n pi cos nt minus pi by 2. Okay, from this what is a naught? We got a by 2 summation n is equal to 1 to infinity. What is a n? A by n pi into cos n omega naught t plus theta n. Cos n omega naught value is 1 minus theta we got as minus pi by 2. So this is cosine Fourier series.